Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Let's get started. The French 10 euro cent coin of 2007 is a small, everyday circulation piece that nonetheless carries a surprising amount of art, national symbolism, and technical specification packed into its 19.75 mm disc. It is struck in the copper-based, Nordic gold, alloy, an alloy actually composed of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc and 1% tin, weighs approximately 4.10 grams and measures about 19.75 mm in diameter with a thickness close to 1.93 mm and a finely reeded, milled edge. Physical proportions chosen to make the coin robust in circulation while keeping it easily distinguishable by touch and sight from other small euro denominations. On the national obverse side, France continues the long French tradition of the sower motif, a stylized, classical female figure sowing seed, a motif historically associated with France's agricultural and republican imagery and evoking themes of growth and renewal. This national design echoes earlier Franc-era art and on the euro issue carries small lettering referencing the designer and the Republic. The initials and the letters, RF, for République Française appear in the field, giving the obverse a distinctly French character even while the coin is a pan-European currency. The common reverse side used from 2007 onward is the second series euro common face designed by Luc Lux, the Belgian Royal Mint artist who created the common reverse designs for euro denominations, and shows a flat map depiction of Europe with the denomination, 10 euro cent, in raised letters to the right, 12 stars and a set of fine lines cutting across the sea. A schematic, modern map intended to emphasize European unity and the coin's place within the Eurozone while visually complementing the national obverse. Technically, the coin is executed with good relief for both the sower and the map motifs so that both national identity and the common European theme are clearly readable even after heavy circulation. In terms of production and availability, the 2007 French 10C is a high mintage circulation coin. Contemporary mint records and collector references list annual issues in the tens of millions. For 2007, France produced roughly 90 million 10-cent pieces for circulation, with additional small quantities struck for annual sets and proof or presentation issues, so ordinary circulation examples are common and of minimal monetary numismatic premium unless found in exceptional mint state or with an unusual error. Collectors instead look for special varieties, mint sets, proof strikes, or well-preserved uncirculated coins, occasional mint mark or die variations, or authentic error pieces, off-center strikes, double strikes, or planchette defects which can command higher prices. Standard circulated examples, by contrast, typically trade only at or slightly above face value among bulk sellers and marketplaces. From a practical perspective, the choice of Nordic gold gives the coin a warm golden color that is both durable and hard to counterfeit by simple means, while the size and weight conform to the Euro family's carefully planned tactile and visual system for quick public recognition. The 2007 issue also sits at an interesting moment in the Euro coinage story. The reverse design showing the new, enlarged map of Europe was introduced in mid-2000s to reflect EU enlargement and to standardize the common face across member states. So the 2007 French 10C is part of that second series output. The designer Luc Lux's initials appear on the common reverse while the national side preserves France's long artistic lineage through the sower motif and the small identifying marks and legends. For collectors wanting provenance or detailed condition assessment, reputable references such as KM catalogs and sites like Numista, NGC, Ucoin list full specifications, estimated values for grades from circulated to mint state, and mintage figures. Those sources also note that unless the coin is in exceptional mint condition, part of a special proof or uncirculated boxed set, or shows a verified error, its market value is generally very close to face value, with collectible premiums based on grade, rarity of mintmark, or error confirmation. Finally, the coin is a useful little study in modern numismatics because it combines a national artistic tradition, the sower pan-European iconography, the Luc Lux map reverse practical material science, Nordic gold's anti-corrosion and color properties, and the economics of high mintage circulating coinage, a modest domestic emblem that also functions as one tiny but essential building block of everyday commerce across the Eurozone.